Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study human anatomy drawing. Start by learning basic skeleton shapes and proportions, then layer muscles and surface anatomy gradually. Work from large masses to small details and alternate quick sketches with focus studies. Use photos, models, and life sessions to test what you observe. Keep a consistent routine and review mistakes to make steady progress in your drawing skills. Understand the skeleton as your drawing foundation and study proportion systems like head counts for each body type. Sketch the spine, ribcage, and pelvis relationship in multiple views to see how posture changes form. Practice measuring with head units and mark joint centers to guide limb placement. Repeated skeletal studies make muscle placement easier and improve your ability to draw believable figures from imagination and reference. Hey, quick recommendation. If you're spending hours sketching in your car or studio, smell matters. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a clean, long-lasting scent. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more anatomy drawing guides. Check the description for the link and other deals on tools and resources. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on major muscle groups and how they create surface shapes. Feel them on your own body to understand form. Study muscles as volumes that change with contraction and stretch, and sketch variations across different poses. Combine anatomical knowledge with surface observation to capture skin folds and subtle contours. Regularly redraw anatomy studies from memory to build intuitive recall for faster, more confident figure drawings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.